tomorrow looks spectacular.
Tomorrow, a spectacular weekend day, dare I say, one of the best days of the summer, perhaps. But we do have a little bit of rain to talk about for Sunday. But first, let's summarize a bit of what happened today. So I've been saying we had a downsloping wind today, so our warmest temps were closer to the coastline, got into the upper 70s, a couple of low 80s. Areas of the mountains got to the low 70s today. But the big difference from yesterday to today, despite the fact that today is a much calmer day than yesterday, the dew point temperatures significantly more comfortable than they were yesterday. Upper 40s, lower 50s firmly puts us in that very refreshing category, and that's where we're going to stay for a lot of this 7-day stretch, with the exception of Sunday. Visible satellite imagery shows a bluebird day for almost all of the state. We did have a couple of fair weather cumulus clouds popping up near the international border, but the area of high pressure is in here firmly, and that will last throughout the day tomorrow. The overnight low temperatures might actually be a little on the cool side tonight. We have low dew points, we have clear skies. Areas of the mountains might briefly drop into the upper 40s. Then for tomorrow, we end up with another really nice day. Mostly sunny in the afternoon, still refreshing in the humidity category. High temperatures upper 70s, lower 80s, but then things start to change. Overnight on Saturday, we switch our flow out of the south, so we start to increase our cloud cover, a lot of low clouds, maybe even some fog closer to the coastline, and then we have an area of low pressure that moves in, starting with some showers in Aroostook County right around midnight, 1 a.m. And then keep in mind, it's not going to be raining or seeing thunderstorms throughout the entire day on Sunday. You might even see a few peaks of sunshine. However, I think it'll be difficult to avoid them entirely. We're going to have scattered showers and thunderstorms throughout the day, especially in the around noon and into the early afternoon hours. The severe weather threat here looks low, especially in comparison to yesterday. However, we will still keep an eye on this as we go into the weekend. About 2 p.m. looks like it'll be lining up around areas of Lewiston, Waterville, north of the Bangor area. Then at about 4 p.m. closer to areas of the mid-coast and down East Maine. And then behind this system, once again, it'll be a day on Monday very similar to what we saw today. A lot of sunshine, much lower humidity, and a little bit on the cool side. After that front moves through, a lot of high pressure moves in. So that means for much of next week, we're going to be experiencing temperatures a little cooler, very refreshing humidity, and a lot of sunshine as we get into the future cast. Looks like the next chance of some showers will be moving in late Thursday evening. The dew point map looks a little silly here, but that's because we're going to have very comfortable conditions with the exception of Sunday, with dew points a little higher there. Marine forecast sees 2 to 4 feet. Ocean temp is 64. So just a quick look at the 7-day forecast. If you do have some outdoor plans this weekend, definitely the best day for that would be Saturday. Scattered showers and storms on Sunday. Severe weather threat there, guys, is low. Next week, low humidity, cooler temps, a lot of sun.
Yeah, no big system coming through of rain either. Great stretch.
Yeah, it's a pretty short one that comes through on Sunday.
Very good. Dana, thank you.